If you've been priced out of most of the Bay Area, San Leandro might be the opportunity you've been waiting for. Today, I'm touring a home that shows exactly why more buyers are making a move here. From the moment you walk in, the space just opens up, bright, inviting, and designed to feel comfortable right away. It's the kind of layout that works just as well for hosting friends as it does for unwinding at the end of the day. The kitchen is clean, functional, and thoughtfully updated, offering the kind of everyday usability and style that typically comes at a much higher price point in nearby cities. The dining room space strikes a great balance, open enough to feel connected to the rest of the home, but still defined so it feels intentional. It's easy to picture everything from weekend dinners to hosting friends and family right here. And with 3 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms, you've got the space and flexibility today's buyers need, whether that's for family, guests, or working from home. At this price point, this is exactly why San Leandro is getting so much attention. The finished basement adds a whole extra layer of multi-purpose space, something that's hard to find at this price point, and a big part of what makes this home such a smart buy. Out back, you've got an expansive yard with plenty of room to really make it your own, whether that's entertaining, gardening, or simply enjoying the extra space. There's also a versatile structure, perfect for vehicle storage, a workshop, or added functionality. And while this home checks so many boxes, it's worth noting there appears to be a neighboring multi-unit residential building, something buyers should keep in mind as they weigh the overall value this property offers. Being next to a multi-unit residential building means a more connected location, closer to BART, shopping, restaurants, and other services, but also a bit more activity and slightly less privacy than a typical single-family neighbor. For many buyers, it comes down to whether the space, flexibility, and the overall value here outweighs that trade-off. If you're looking for value in the Bay Area, this is a market you don't want to overlook. Reach out if you want to see more homes like this in San Leandro.